Nitrates and phosphates are two elements vital to plant growth. So in order to raise crop yields, farmers in many nations have been using these chemical fertilizers. While this has helped support our growing population, these fertilizers have been running off into streams, rivers, and even flowing into the ocean. All of these added nutrients in the water increase algae growth, leading to massive algae blooms that block the sunlight from aquatic plants. When the algae start dying, bacteria come in to decompose it, but in the process, they deplete all the dissolved oxygen in the water. Many organisms, such as fish, rely on dissolved oxygen in the water to breathe, so this can lead to massive fish kills, which are a localized die-off of fish populations. As the nutrients pile up, the body of water is slowly drained and replaced with vegetation. This process is called eutrophication, and its effects go beyond aquatic life. Blue-green algae produces toxins that can cause skin irritation, seizures, liver failure, respiratory arrest, and even death in humans. Eutrophication has been occurring worldwide, with Lake Okeechobee and the Gulf of Mexico being prime examples. In 2018, Lake Okeechobee had an algae bloom that covered 300 square miles. Recently, some actions have been taken to clean up algae blooms, such as dredging bottom sediments to remove excess nutrient buildup, removing excess weeds, constraining undesirable plant growth with herbicides and algaecides, pumping air through lakes and reservoirs to avoid oxygen depletion. These cleanup methods have some issues, such as disturbing aquatic life, high costs, and only serving as a temporary solution. We need a long-term plan to be able to eliminate this issue from our aquatic environments. Some methods of preventing eutrophication are advanced waste treatment, such as extracting nitrates and phosphates from wastewater, bans and limits on phosphates in household detergents and other cleaning agents, soil conservation in agriculture, such as conservation tillage, planting cover crops so nutrients remain in soil, managing livestock access to soil, conservation drainage practices, and preserving riparian areas, which are green areas near streams that can stop pollutants and fertilizer from getting into the water. In recent years, there have been a lot of efforts made to stop these blooms, with many research projects and financial incentives. The George Barley Water Project awards $10 million to the person who can find an effective and affordable solution to combat these algae blooms. By making changes in our lives as daily consumers and by pressuring our government to do the same, I'm sure we can solve issues like algae blooms.